Hello everyone. I'm Lily. Welcome to subscribe to my channel. Featured area at the top right of the video. Position of the letter I flashing. There are more quality technology videos you can click to view. Video sharing in this issue. DeepMind has created an artificial intelligence system called AlphaCode. The Alphabet subsidiary tested its system against the coding challenges used in human competitions, found that its program achieved very good results. Levels are in the top 54% of human coding. DeepMind says this result is an important step for autonomous coding. Although AlphaCode doesn't necessarily represent the kind of programming task faced by the average coder. For the average programmer, these seem very far away. Today we present to you an artificial intelligence project that can really benefit every programmer. GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is an artificial intelligence pairing programmer. Can help you write code faster. Reduces workload. GitHub Copilot extracts context from comments and code, and immediately suggests the build function. GitHub Copilot powered by OpenAI Codex. This is a new AI system created by OpenAI. GitHub Copilot Technology Preview is available as an extension to the Visual Studio Code, Neovim, and JetBrains IDE suites. GitHub Copilot is available for a large number of frameworks and languages. Does particularly well for Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Ruby, Java, and Go. It understands dozens of languages. GitHub Copilot is available as an extension to Neovim, JetBrains, and Visual Studio Code. The GitHub Copilot extension can be used on the desktop or on GitHub Codespaces in the cloud. OpenAI Codex is trained on publicly available source code and natural language, so it can understand both programming. It can also understand human language. GitHub Copilot Editor extension sends your comments and code to the GitHub Copilot service. It then uses the OpenAI Codex to synthesize and give suggestions. The lead team benchmarked a set of Python functions. These functions have good test coverage in the open source repository. Leave the body of the function empty and ask GitHub Copilot to fill it in with. The model has a 43% correct rate on the first attempt, 57% correct at 10 attempts allowed, and it's getting smarter all the time. GitHub Copilot tries to understand your intent and generate the best code possible. But the code it suggests may not always work. It doesn't even make sense. GitHub Copilot suggested code should be carefully tested, reviewed, and vetted like any other code. When you break your code into small functions, using meaningful names for function parameters, and when writing good documentation and comments during use, it works best. When it helps you navigate unfamiliar libraries or frameworks, it also seems to work best. GitHub Copilot relies on the contents of the file, including the file you are editing. When you use GitHub Copilot, it may also collect the URL or file path of the repository to identify the relevant context. GitHub Copilot is still in the technical preview phase. To use GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code, open Xcode. Select the extension button in the upper left. Type GitHub Copilot in the search box. Select GitHub Copilot and click Install. When the installation is complete, prompt for a GitHub account. Click Allow. Click Continue. Log in with your own account and password. Enter email verification code for authentication. Authorized account login to Xcode. Click Open above to switch to Xcode automatically. Click on Open. To use GitHub Copilot, you need to visit the official website to request access. The review period is 1 week, since my account is already filled with applications, temporarily unable to record video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Be sure to turn on the little bell. You will be notified when a new video is uploaded. See you in the next video.